Geotechnical investigation services in Kotla Mubarakpur play a crucial role in the construction and development of various projects. These services involve the study and analysis of the physical properties of soil and rock, as well as the assessment of their suitability for construction purposes. Kotla Mubarakpur, located in Delhi, is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects taking place. Therefore, geotechnical investigation services in this area are in high demand. Geotechnical investigation services in Kotla Mubarakpur encompass a range of activities. One of the primary tasks is to conduct soil testing to determine its composition, density, and strength. This information is crucial for designing the foundation of any structure, whether it be a residential building, commercial complex, or infrastructure project. By analyzing the soil properties, geotechnical engineers can provide recommendations on the type of foundation system that should be adopted for a particular project. Another important aspect of geotechnical investigation services is the assessment of slope stability. Kotla Mubarakpur, like many other areas, may have slopes that need to be analyzed for stability before construction can take place. Slope stability analysis involves studying the soil and rock properties to assess the risk of landslides or slope failures. This information is vital for ensuring the safety of both the structure being built and the surrounding environment. In addition to soil testing and slope stability analysis, geotechnical investigation services also include groundwater testing. The presence and behavior of groundwater can significantly impact construction projects. By understanding the groundwater table and its movement, engineers can design appropriate drainage systems and waterproofing measures to prevent water-related issues during and after construction. SCON Design is a reputable firm providing geotechnical investigation services in Kotla Mubarakpur and throughout Delhi. With their expertise and experience, they offer comprehensive solutions tailored to meet the specific requirements of each project. Their team of geotechnical engineers utilizes advanced techniques and equipment to gather accurate data and provide reliable recommendations. The importance of geotechnical investigation services cannot be overstated when it comes to construction projects in Kotla Mubarakpur. By conducting thorough investigations, potential risks and challenges can be identified early on, allowing for appropriate mitigation measures to be implemented. This not only ensures the structural integrity and safety of the project, but also helps in avoiding costly delays or failures. In conclusion, geotechnical investigation services in Kotla Mubarakpur are essential for any construction project in this rapidly developing area. Geotechnical investigation services are essential for any construction project, as they provide crucial information about the soil and geological conditions of a site. One such area where geotechnical investigation services are in demand is Kotla Mubarakpur in Delhi. Located in the heart of the city, Kotla Mubarakpur is a bustling area with a mix of residential and commercial properties.